I'm back. I'm Kathy with Beyond 60. And if you're wondering why I look a little plain today, well, I've got something so exciting to introduce to you. Jane Iredale has come out with ColorLuxe eyeshadow sticks in 10 different colors. And if all of you remember, I love cream eyeshadows, and I've been waiting for this for so long because it's the answer to aging eyes and hooded eyes. So what I thought I would do is come on and introduce you to this. They're just coming out June 1st, so you gotta make sure you watch this all the way through, because I'm going to do 3 different looks, one on me and on 2 different models. So I'm going to introducing different color eyes and which work for those eye colors and styles, whether or not you want a one and done, or if you want something a little bit dramatic, if you want to wear shadow sticks without any mascara. I know I have that come up a lot of times. People just don't wear mascara anymore because it maybe irritates their eyes, or, they're sensitive and they can't find the exact one.